What a fine day it is, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video, And in today's tutorial video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can set up an account for Coinbase. Now, it's pretty simple to set up an account for Coinbase. Now, before I show you the way on how you guys can, set up an account in Coinbase, let me tell you guys what Coinbase is. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And it is one of the most easiest platform to buy and sell crypto. It is so easy that it's the second largest crypto exchange in the world right after Binance. If you guys want to sign up into Coinbase, you guys can use our referral link which is in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Coinbase as well. With that said, let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to coinbase.com and log in into your account if you guys have an account. But since you don't have an account, what you need to do is search for Coinbase and click on the first link where it says sign in. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to your sign in page. Now once you're over here, for those people who have an account, they can log in, but we don't have an account. So what we need to do is click on don't have an account, enter all the information it asks you over here, like your first name over here. So I'm going to enter my first name and my last name over here, and then the email address for my account over here. You need to enter the email address which you want to link with your Coinbase, and enter a password for your account over here like this, and then click on I am certainly over 18 and click on create account, and your account under all this information will be created. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can sign up or set up a Coinbase account. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.